In today's fast-paced world, finding time for health and fitness can feel impossible. Between work pressures and daily responsibilities, regular exercise often takes a back seat. Many struggle to find the right yoga class or instructor that truly resonates with their needs. Without proper guidance, it's easy to feel lost, especially when stress and anxiety cloud our focus on health. Ignoring these issues can lead to serious health problems that affect both our professional and personal lives. That's why we've created a transformative framework at Nirmal Chetna Kundlini Shakti Pith Divine Life Solutions. Our 3-day Kundlini Yoga Workshop is designed to fit seamlessly into your busy schedule. On day 1, you'll discover the fundamentals of Kundlini and learn how to master self-care from home. Day 2 reveals 3 simple techniques to get into perfect shape without strict diets or complex workouts. Finally, on day 3, you'll explore the power of daily yoga practice to combat anxiety and stress. In just 3 days, you'll gain the tools to enhance your health and well-being, creating a balanced, energetic life. Join us and take the first step towards a healthier you. So in just 3 days, you will get a holistic outcome and guidance regarding all different aspects of health. We invite you to join us for 3-day Kundlini Yoga Workshop. Contact Dr. Surendra Singh for a psychosomatic well-being spiritual health specialist, spiritual yoga therapist, master trainer, Kundlini Yoga Wellness Life Coach 982-604-2177.